Well, this morning we're going to start out with wiring the entire chassis. We're going to be using the ISIS system, which uses basically computerized master cell, which controls the entire system from there. All the inputs go into the master cell and they work off a ground system. If the signal goes to ground, it sends that ground to the master cell, which then sends a signal out through a CAN line to the power cells, and then the power cell will supply power to the source. So instead of running power all the way through switches and all around, it just needs a minor input, just a tiny little ground, and the master cell will figure out what to do with it from there. So here's all the components of the entire power system. This is the master cell here. You can see how many pins there are going in. And it's got the output for the CAN line, and these are the power cells here. Got power, main power in, coming in, the CAN lines going in or out, and then there'll be power feeds from there going out. You got a front one and a rear one, and then there's a mega fuse. So the battery power goes to here, and then there's 3 outputs through a mega fuse. I believe it's 60 amp, the mega fuse inside of there. And that goes out to the main power, the power cells, supplying power to the power cells. The power cells will have fuses in there. Inside the actual, they go into these little pins right here. And that's basically the power. It should take about 2 days of work to wire the entire chassis. And it comes all set up, terminated at the end, particular for the SLC.